to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing and setting up my new iPad, and I also got an Apple Pencil. So this is the Generation 2 or Series 2 Apple Pencil. I have been using this for the past week until my iPad arrived. So yeah, so I'm just gonna unbox this and then I will show you how I set it up. So I actually love unboxing, well, I love watching unboxing videos, so I thought, like, why not do my own? So I'm just gonna open this up for you on camera. Okay. So here it is in the box. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so this is it. So this is the iPad 8th generation Wi-Fi with 128 gigabytes, which I got the more gigabytes. I was just gonna get the 56 or whatever comes in 26, whatever the smallest one is, but I was worried that there wasn't gonna be enough space because I plan on doing some editing. I wanna do Procreate, which is like a software to do like different designs and stuff like that. So I wanna be doing my YouTube thumbnails, I wanna be editing photos, and my goal is to try to like transfer as much from my laptop onto this iPad as possible. And then also I'm going to be doing my Peloton workouts on this iPad, so I wanted to make sure that there was enough space for all the apps and storage, photos. I just didn't want to be running out of space, so this is why I got more gigs on this one. So it's, as you can see, it's in the color rose gold. And yeah, so it's USB to C lightning cable. I don't know what other, I think it's 10.2 the size, so I'll open it up, but it's literally so pretty. So I also got the Apple Pencil to go with it, just for drawing, and then just to make it easier. I haven't gotten the keyboard yet. I don't know if I'm gonna need it, so I didn't want to get it yet. And then I also got this iPad case, which is also rose gold, but I'll show that later in the video. Okay, so let's open this. So I'm just gonna grab my scissors and cut it open. That didn't really work. Why isn't it working? This plastic is really strong. Okay, so people like that. Just open it up. And I love Apple boxes, they just look so nice. So throw that down. Okay, so here it is. Okay, here it is. Okay, so I'll put this box down here. Okay, so here it is. There's the iPad, nice beautiful screen. So I'm just gonna lift this out like this. This is the box, put this over here. So here it is. I'm just gonna, oh, that looks so pretty. It's such a pretty color. And then I'll just, there we go. Okay, so this is off. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty, white, with the rose gold in the back. And then it just has the on button up here, nice camera, headphone jack, which is good. And then obviously like the lightning cable at the bottom. Okay, this looks just like my mom's iPad. Okay, now that we're set up, here it is. Here's the iPad. You can see my pretty plants behind me. Okay, so I'm gonna put the case on before I drop it. So this is the case, it's pink. I just got it off of Amazon. I was gonna get one at Staples, but they were very expensive, which, I mean, fair. They're very expensive and I didn't want to pay that much, and they were all like black and gray and stuff, so I wanted like a really pretty pink one because pink is my favorite color, blush kind of color. Okay, so here it is all snapped in, which it covers the back, but that's fine, I guess. Oh, I'll show you what else comes in the box. Throw these scissors out. Well, I'll throw them away. So, ooh, we have a nice little charger and a USB cord. I wonder if there's, I don't even know. There's some big stickers, which like I never do anything with. Okay, I don't think there's headphones that comes with it, so that's good to know. No headphones, which is fine because I have literally so many pairs of headphones, so that part's fine. So I'll take this part out, put it aside, and I guess I should probably also unbox my Apple Pencil. And I have been using this for the past week and I really like it a lot. I'll be interested to see what it's like whenever I use it with, oh, here it is right here. So I just took the box off, and it comes like this. And I think this is, oh, this is the 2nd generation one, and I really like it a lot. And I'll be excited to use it with the Procreate app to use with like editing and stuff. So I'll do another video on whether or not I recommend the Apple Pen. It's really, I like it. And I'm gonna start doing my planning on there on my iPad, so I'm very excited about that. Okay, so this is the iPad. I'm all over the place. I'm just so excited. I've been waiting this for literally like 2 weeks now, so I'm very excited. And it was supposed to be here 2 days ago, but it's here today, so I'm happy it's here. But yeah, this is the case, and you just set it up like this if you want to, like, I think, here we go. So it does stand like this. You just put it like that, which is nice, which I'll use a lot whenever I'm doing editing and stuff. So now I'm going to turn it on and I'll set you up while I set it up, just so I can show you. It's very easy. I've set up iPads before. What a break. Okay. Okay, so now we have it on. I'm just going to turn it on. Here we go. I don't even know if you can see that. There we go. So we have English, Canada, and we're gonna go, okay, so I'm gonna take my iPhone and put my phone. So that's kind of cool that you just set it up right from your phone. So I just have to put my phone near the camera and it's finished on new iPad. So that's all set up like that, which is awesome. So enter passcode from your phone once that loads. I'm just entering my passcode. Don't worry, I'll change it after this video goes up. Okay, so it's just finishing setting up. That's so easy. So it's just gonna take a few minutes, it says. But that's quite easy to be able to set up like a whole iPhone. I remember years ago it used to take forever to set up an iPad or an iPhone. So that's cool that you can just migrate it right from your iPhone. Okay, so I'm gonna set up my Touch ID. Okay, so here it is. So I have all my apps here. So now I just begin. So it has all my Apple stuff. So now I'm just gonna begin and start putting different apps on here. I'm gonna go to Peloton first because I really want to get my Peloton app. Okay, I'm not gonna film all of this, but I'll keep you on as a montage maybe. Okay. And right now I'm standing at my standing desk in my office, which is great. I love being able to sit and stand, and it's great for filming too because I just feel more comfortable when I'm standing. And yeah, I have more energy. It's awesome. Okay, install. So maybe I'll come back to you whenever I'm finished kind of setting it up. I'll come back whenever I have all my apps organized, and then I'll show you kind of how I organize my apps. And yeah, so I will show you that when I come back. Bye. Hi guys, so I thought I'd show you exactly what's on my iPad, now that what it looks like now. So here's my cheetah print wallpaper, and the first I have my clock, FaceTime, the App Store, Maps, texting, all that kind of stuff. Then I have my calendar, my settings, and then all this stuff I just don't use, so I put it in a file folder. And next I have my streaming stuff, so I have Prime, Disney Plus, Netflix, and then I have my ThinkUp app, which is my affirmations, YouTube, Spotify, all that. This is my more business kind of stuff, so I have my Squarespace and my YouTube stuff. Next I have my social media, which is Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my email. After that I have all my photo editing stuff, so Photos, Lightroom, Canva, Procreate, which is where I do all my editing. And then I have my GoodNotes app, which is where I do all of my note taking. So that's kind of it. That's what it looks like now. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I can't wait to see you for the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.